Nope, those are just lights. Here we have Herbert Hoover buried in West Branch, Iowa. Herbert Hoover, 1874 to 1964, and Lou Henry Hoover from 1874 to 1944. And apparently his date of death is October 20th, which is tomorrow. Obviously that was like 60 years ago, 50 years ago. Almost 60. Huh. Cool. I believe this was president number 32. But yeah, this is a nice landscape around here. And the trees are turning, so it's, you know, it's fall time. And you got the American flag up here blowing. Check out the eagle up top. And this is in West Branch, Iowa, which is a couple miles east of Iowa City. And we're just coming from Davenport. But yeah, pretty cool. For sure. Also, funny moment. Do you guys remember in the movie Home Alone when Rob Schneider says to Macaulay Culkin, Herbert Hoover stayed on this floor, which he's talking about the hotel they stayed in. And he goes, the vacuum guy? I always thought that was funny.
You know, Herbert Hoover once stayed here on this floor.
The vacuum guy?
No, the president.
See you guys on the next video. Okay, see you guys on the next video.